I'm now going to show you in detail our 1962 Hillman Minx. Now this car is very special to my heart. I would really like to own one of these one day, and it was really special for the people in the 60s. So this was a really popular car in the 1960s for families. So children would bundle in the back, and you can see why. It's nice and roomy, but it's not too big. You can imagine going out for picnics or to a day trip at the beach in this car with your family. Now Hillman produced this car between 1931 and 1970. When researching Hillman Minxes, I came across a really cool advert from 1962 for a Hillman Minx just like this one. And it said that to buy a Hillman Minx brand new would cost £727.99. If only we could buy a brand new car for that kind of money today. That same advert also stated that a 1600cc Hillman Minx, just like ours, had a brake horsepower of 56.5. I wonder if we could say the same about our Hillman Minx today. As you can see, our Hillman Minx is finished in this absolutely beautiful light blue colour, and it also has a matching blue interior. It has a 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual gearbox. Our Hillman Minx has gone through the workshop, and our technicians have made sure that it is working perfectly for somebody at home to win. Now, to find out more information, please go to the British Classic Cars Competitions website.